Let's go.
Do you think you'd be willing to come out of your box and play with some toys? Yeah, ignore that wall situation. Vinny ate it. It's kind of like a little gremlin in the box. Hi! Is that your tent? Guys, this is Cody's tent. His toys are in his tent. I don't know if you guys can see, but he hangs out in there. Yes, my little baby. Rocky, you excited for some toys? Yeah, you don't like the camera? Okay, I hid the toys in here. They don't seem interested now, but maybe when they see this big bag of interesting stuff, they'll be like, what is it? Did you guys hear that? It's exciting stuff. Anybody want to take notice? Okay, you're still busy eating, that's fine. Vinny, what about you?
You literally just went back in the box.
I guess I'll have to play with all these fancy toys myself. Yeah, you can come play with my toys, George.
Let's see what I can find here. Sounds interesting though, doesn't it?
Yeah. Oh.
Somebody's coming out of the box to see what's going on. I see you. Oh, look. Uh-oh. Oh, look, this guy's coming over. Look at Cody. Cody's interested. I don't know if you could see Cody. Very interested in what's going on. Look at all those toys.
Jersey's interested.
Jersey, are you finally interested? Okay, so those are for Rocky. They're like stainless steel toys. I got them at Ross.
You mean they're stainless steel things that you made into toys?
Yeah, they're stuff for the kitchen.
I guess Rocky's a baker now.
Well, I'm certainly not a baker, so when I see stuff like this, it's for the birds. Either for scooping up their food or for that. Yeah, that's for Rocky.
Do I give it to him like this and then
No.
open it? Because I mean, this is a tough thing to open.
Yeah, you actually probably could. Look at him, he's all ready already. He's like, where is it?
Rocky, let's see if you can open this.
Rocky, do you mind opening your toy? We can't do it.
He's like, huh? I have to open my own toy? Wait, jingle those bells. Do you hear the bell? Vinny! New toys!
What's this one?
This is for Jersey.
Ooh,
Oh.
it's the big one.
Oh my god. Yeah. You want that? I know you like that. That's your favorite, huh? Yeah, you love that stuff. Yeah.
Uh-oh, better get the tag off before she knows how much it is. Leo, you want to get that?
Hey, what are you doing over there?
What are you doing? What are you doing? No. Let's go get the toys. Let's see what kind of toys we have. And we have a ball to play with.
Rocky didn't open his toy. Maybe we need to.
I'll open it.
Oh, he's playing with the heart. Oh, that pacifier is for Cody. He loves pacifiers. You know. She's so cute. He's like, so the Wall Street Journal's my toy.
Vinny, do you want to play with a toy like this? Vinny?
Minnie likes wood.
You like your toy, Jersey? Uh-oh. You dropped it?
We're gonna get it for you.
There you go, baby.
Oh, this is what I got for Vinny. He's gonna love it, believe it or not. This. Vinny, look what I got you. You want us to put it in your house? We'll put it in your house, and then you can play with it, all right?
Uh-oh, he's gonna get it already.
We need to put it in there for him. I know what Leo wants to play.
Yeah, you like that?
Vinny, look. Look what we put in there for you. You wanna go see it? Naughty. Naughty, I don't think
Wanna play with the soccer ball? I knew you'd like the soccer ball. He's gone in there. I just saw him. He found it right away. He's like, this is what I've been looking for. He loves that. That's all he ever wants, those things. Are you placing all the toys? Yeah, for Jersey?
Yeah.
Who loves pacifiers? He found the pacifier! Oh my god, you found your pacifier! Did I get him more? Aw, his pacifier! He found it! Do you like pacifiers? Yeah. I play. Why? For like actual measuring?
Yeah, for the kitchen.
Duh. I didn't know a kitchen needs that.
I mean, these are steel.
You're always making so much noise.
Actually, you don't need to give him all of them. You need to have
He
like.
says no. He says they're all his. They have to be hung because you can't, they could drop. You could separate them and make them on different toys. Vinny, have you ever thought of playing ball? Look, I saw a cockatoo just like you played ball. No? Come here, let's play here. Do you have a ball accessible? Can you give me a ball before like he runs off?
I have no balls.
Ah! Come here, I'm gonna show you the balls. All right, ready, Vinny? Put the ball down. Ah! Vinny's not interested in balls. This guy just wants to be cuddled by mommy. That's all you want? Oh my god, Cody loves toys. Look at him. Look at him, he loves all the stuff. What about you, Rocky?
I think he's gonna break this in seconds.
Look at you trying all the toys. Yay!
Is she hungry?
You're hungry? Let's eat something. Look at the king on his throne. Good boy, good boy. You like that? Oh, he likes this toy. This is good. Now cuddle me, he says.
He's eating the can.
Okay guys, quite often you guys ask me about your cockatoos and toys. My bird likes things like these where she has to put things together. It's kind of like nuts and bolts. But also, Jersey gets very interested when you take something like this and give her something like that. Because she always wants to be able to put two things together. So with your birds that are extremely intelligent, it's always a good idea to find ways to combine things. Same thing as if I gave her like a piece of cotton cloth, she would stick this through and out. Same with this, like that's something that Jersey really likes to do. So when you're thinking up toys, consider that. What kind of nonsense is going on back there? And also think outside of the box, like how we gave Rocky some stainless steel toys that we still have to put together. If your birds like something, there's no harm in getting multiple colors. Yes, Rocky. But also, I got these, which Rocky may really like. Do you like that? Do you like it? She's like paused.
Oh, he likes it.
Again. Yay! Yay! He's angry. Ooh.
She's still on this, that's good.
Here you go.
Rocky just threw all his stuff down. You want to see if he might want little Legos? Guys, you ready for this? Uh-oh. Let's see the face of the box, man. Somebody's already excited. He doesn't want the Lego. He wants the box.
Oh, shoot.
He doesn't care about the Lego. Look at him. You want this? No. Do you want this, Jersey? We're gonna play Legos. The box looks taller than you, George.
Not that much taller than me. That's not even taller. What are you talking about?
He likes it. He's gonna throw them all down. Hey, you know what? You should try. Uh-oh, it's happening. We lost our box. He found the tower. Uh-oh.
Did he just pull that out of the box?
No, he's throwing all his toys down. Okay guys, Jersey was getting a little bit anxious, and so this is actually the first time we decided to try this. It's by Christine's Chop Shop. She sent me this as a thank you for the hurricane video. Let's go see if she's still eating it. She's still eating it, okay. That's really good. It's called Birdie's Calming Brittle, so I hope it calms her down. She's in one of her little anxious modes. For those of you new to the channel, Jersey has some anxiety, which is why she plucks, and it's very similar to us humans that bite our nails and stuff. It's very hard to stop, even if they're in good homes or even if their lives have changed for the better. Just one of those things. What do you think, Rocky? Vinny wasn't interested in anything till you brought this out.
Wait, does that mean we're gonna give him all that?
I don't know what to do now, but wow, putting new things in the box. What are you up to? Side note, my cat is dying to be an outside cat, I think. This is what she does all day. What? Yeah, you tell everybody how you cry at the door? You cry at the door all day, don't you? Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the next video in this playlist. I love you guys so, so much.